My name is Kois Temu, the ambassador of Tanzania in Geneva.
Ambassador of
Tanzania in Geneva.
Tanzania in Geneva.
Yes,
You have been here before?
Yes, I was here last year. And I'm bringing a special message from the President of United Republic of Tanzania. She greets you and she wishes you all the best. And she thanks you and through you, the Ahmadiyya community and the work that...
Okay, extend my greeting to and salam to her as well.
I will.
Allah bless your country.
Thank you so much, Your Holiness. We met with the Ahmadiyya community leaders. I visited the very beautiful mosque that is built in the
Dar es Salaam.
capital, in Dar es Salaam. I visited this very nice and God-fearing women from the Ahmadiyya community. They are now my good friends, and I visit some community work with them in Tanzania. I visited Dodoma, and also we saw a very good hospital in Morogoro that is treating the community in Morogoro for the cheapest price. That
So you come from the Roma area?
No, I come from Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro. Okay.
Yes.
So you live on the top of the mountain?
Yes, not on top, but very close. Like when you are waking up from home, I get to see the mountain right there.